welcome to week 1 of business law. I hope you guys were able to get through the course orientation, including the scavenger hunt as you went through as your first grade for this semester. And if you have any questions about these, please hit me up with the Remind app and let me know. For week 2, which is due on next Monday, February 4th, so I'm going to, everything that was due tomorrow, Monday the 28th, is listed, and next week, February 4th, all the assignments for 101 is due. So let's look at 1.01 in business law. 1.01 is broken down into 3 sections. And you have your checkoff sheets, everything you're supposed to do for each section. You can click on these and print them off, these Google Docs, if it'll help you to check those off. But 1.01a is all about ethics and ethical reasoning. Now, what is ethics? Ethics is knowing the difference between right and wrong and always choosing right. If you're an ethical person, or if you have ethical reasoning, you know when to do the right thing. So in this, you're going to see, here's your vocabulary. You'll want to put those in your notebook. Here's the notes. You'll want to put your notes in your notebook for the notes. And then we have some new information in your textbook, and you'll see your textbook here. I only want you to read pages 7 through 9 and fill out the graphic organizer and turn that in. And then there's some essay short answer questions from the PowerPoint that is linked to this assignment. You'll open this PowerPoint, look at it, and answer some questions on that. Then 101B is sources of law. And you can see there's quite a bit of information or things to do here. You're going to go back into what is ethical character traits, what are 4 ethical character traits, and you can look back at 101A for that. But you have a video, and you'll need to take notes as you go through your notes here, and then read pages 9 through 14 in your book. Same chapter. And then you have some review resources. These are in gray, but they just help you make sure you know and understand. Then we have 2 case studies, which you're going to read the case study on your own and decide whether the case is valid or if it should have been used differently based on the law. So here's your case 1, and you will answer here in the discussion. You will reply to another classmate, and then here is case 2 discussion. So here you have another case to read and discuss, and then a quiz for 101B. And then we have 101C, which is our legal system and how we're set up. And you have your learning targets. Here's the PowerPoints and a notes organizer if you want to print that off, or you can just take notes in your notebooks. And you have a scenario 1 and a scenario 2 in 101C. Make sure you're following the rubric as you go and that you're replying to someone else. Then you're going to create a multimedia presentation about a state or federal agency. Here are the agencies that you can choose from. Notice that you're going to research this agency. You can create a Google presentation. You can do a PowerPoint, or you can do a Prezi. It doesn't matter to me, but you must make sure you have all of this information about that agency. This can go in your graduation portfolio. It can go in several different areas. If you want to do that, just let me know. I have the ability to go in and grade North Surrey's graduation portfolios. But you'll turn that in here. So you could pick any of these. FBI, Marshals, the DEA, SBI, Highway Patrol, and you're just going to research and complete a presentation on those, and then a short answer essay. Then in red, it tells you to go to the resource and assessment page, and take the assessment. So you will go here, and I have a review for you to help you out there, and then you have the Objective 101 assessment. That is all due next Monday, February the 4th. So if you have any questions between now and then, please let me know. If you get behind, don't panic. Communication is key. The more you talk to me, the more I can help you. I hope you have had a good week, and I look forward to seeing more of you guys as you start posting.